Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Qinchengda from Shumatt, China. Today I'd like to share with you some of our products. You can look at it here. It's one. This is our valve assembly. Okay, first let's check the detail. We packed with the VCI anti-rust bags. On this part, you can see there has a label. And the first line of the label is the Shumatt logo. If you want to print with your own logo, contact us. Logo, label, packaging bag, and so on. Yes, customize the services, okay? This part is the product code. The product code is F00ZC01361. And below the product code is the application inject model number. It's 0451109553. And 045110973 and 045110974 and 045110981 and 045110982 and 04511099. Okay, on the right of the label, it's the QR code. If you want to know about more information about product, please use your phone to scan it. Okay, that's the inside part. For the inside packages, we have two forms of our packages. Let's choose one to talk about. That's the whole side of our product. Actually, we're not only selling the whole side, but also selling separate parts. Let's check the separate parts. This is a valve cap. For our valve cap, we have the coating on this part, also with the curve letters. Yes, check the details, okay? And this is a valve roll. For our valve roll, we have different sizes. Yes, I mean the valve roll, it had the different ones. If you want other sizes, you can contact us, okay? So much for today's product introduction. Yes. Except that occasionally here, I want to share with you 3 tips about our valve assembly. The first tip is clean it with oil. Yep. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. And let's talk about the warranty. About warranties, we have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you're not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us and we can return it to exchange the product for you. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. If you like our video and our product, please follow us at the channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.